Hello, fair maiden, or brave sir. I hope you're having a magical day. I'm Princess Bella from the land of Insure-a-Lot. Even in our enchanted land, sometimes people get sick, and that's why critical illness plans are so important. This insurance includes a cancer plan, but also covers other illnesses like heart disease or stroke. They pay you cash to use however you want. Sir Henry used his money to pay his health insurance deductible. Lady Madeline added a new jewel to her crown. The choice is yours. When someone in the family is diagnosed with a critical illness, it affects the entire family. Spouses miss work and lose income. They need extra help at home or with the children. Critical illness insurance gets you through that very difficult time. Be sure to check out the magical plans offered by the private exchange before you leave our land today. Farewell, and thanks for visiting.